As winter settles in, many people experience respiratory issues. Let's break down why respiratory issues are common in winter and look at simple tips to help you breathe easier. Why do respiratory issues increase in winter? Cold air and viruses. When the temperature drops, the inside of your nose becomes cooler, which can reduce the immunity of the cells that fight off bacteria and viruses. This can cause infections, like the flu or common cold. Dry air. Winter air is drier, and when you breathe it in, it can dry out your airways and lead to inflammation. This can make asthma worse and cause more mucus buildup. Indoor heating. While it keeps you warm, indoor heating systems can reduce humidity levels, drying out your respiratory system and causing conditions like sinusitis and bronchitis. Common respiratory issues and tips for managing them. Sinusitis. Sinusitis happens when your sinuses become inflamed due to infection, causing a blocked or runny nose and a severe headache. To manage sinuses, you can apply warm compresses to your nose and forehead to reduce pressure and ease headaches. Use a saline nasal spray to clear blocked sinuses. Try steam inhalation. You can also add essential oils like eucalyptus to a bowl of hot water to treat your sinuses. 2. Bronchitis. Bronchitis happens when your airways get inflamed, often leading to an endless cough. It can be caused by a virus or irritants like smoke. To treat it, use steam inhalers to loosen mucus and make breathing easier. Gargle with saline water to reduce throat irritation. Avoid smoking and take vitamin D to support your immune system. 3. Asthma. Winter air can irritate your airways, worsening asthma symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and chest tightness. To prevent an asthma attack, limit exposure to common triggers like dust and pollen. Consider wearing a mask when outdoors. Avoid exercising outside during cold weather, as the dry air can trigger attacks. Practice deep breathing exercises to help relax your airways. If your symptoms worsen or don't improve, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. With the right precautions and care, you can breathe easier through the colder months.